In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloads to your Squarespace website. Whether you're sharing PDFs, guides, images, or any document that your audience will find valuable, we'll walk through the process step by step. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy, even if you're not tech savvy. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, we need to head over to your Squarespace website editor. Logging into your Squarespace account is the first step, and from there, navigate to the editor of the site where you want the download feature to be available. Once you're in your site's editor, the real fun begins. In the editor, you'll see a button named Add Block. Click on this button. It allows you to add various kinds of content to your webpage, ranging from simple text to complex embeds. For our download feature, we're going to select a text block. Clicking on Text opens up a new area on your page where you can enter information. It acts as a container for whatever details you wish to include. Now that you have your text block, you need to add some text that will act as a placeholder or invitation for the download link. Enter your desired text. It could be something inviting like, click here to download, or specific like, download our PDF guide here. After typing in your text, the next thing to do is highlight it, an essential step that can sometimes be overlooked. With your text highlighted, look for a chain link icon on your editor's toolbar. This is the icon for adding a hyperlink. Clicking on it will open up a dialog box where you can configure the link details. In this box, there should be an arrow which you need to click on. This will expand the options available to you. From the expanded menu, select File. This option will bring up an interface allowing you to upload the file you want your visitors to download. Whether it's a Word document, a PDF, a spreadsheet, or a zip file, make sure it's ready on your computer for the next step. Click on Upload, and a file browser will open. Navigate through your files, select the appropriate file, and upload it. Depending on the file size, this could take a few moments. Once uploaded, everything is almost set. The final step is to ensure you don't lose any changes made during this session. So click on the Save button. Confirm that everything looks and functions as expected, and don't hesitate to preview your site to see the download link in action. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site now has a functional download link, allowing visitors easy access to your materials. This feature not only enhances user engagement, but also adds a professional touch to your website. Thanks for following along, and happy sharing on Squarespace.